We don't have to select a best detergent for our clothes. No. We have to select a perfect detergent for our clothes. Because detergent is a very important factor and which determines a look, a life of the cloth, a fragrance, cleanliness of the cloth. We must be 100% sure and clear with what is our expectation from the detergent. Which type of fabric we are washing, which type of stain we want to remove. Is there any treatment done on the fabric or finishing done on the fabric? We need to consider all these things while deciding or while selecting our detergent.
Now let us see how to select detergent on the basis of fabric type. Most of our cloths are made from cotton and polyester. After that we use linen, rayon, acrylic, wool and silk. Your perfect selection for specific fabric gives you refreshing look without any side effects like dull look or color fade. First of all, we will see world's most popular fabric, cotton. So if you are washing your cotton cloths regularly with the hard detergents, then it will clear dirt, stain with color of cloths. Yes, here is something we need to understand. We may know that Pima, Supima or Giza cotton are considered as best cotton in the world. Even these two types of cotton have color fade issues after repeated wash. It's a characteristic of a cotton to fade a color after repeated washes. So if we use hard detergents for cotton, then color may get fade in hardly 3 to 4 washes and it will start looking dull in color. See, if cleaning is your major priority, then hard detergent powders always score better. But you need to be conscious that yes, I am washing clothes with hard detergents because I want to remove stains and also I can lose some of its color. You may have seen most of the hard detergent brands use white cloths in their commercials, in their advertisements. Yes, of course there is one reason that they can show effectiveness of cloth cleaning. But another hidden reason is it can result in huge color fade if you use cotton cloth in hard detergents. So that's why hard detergents are best for white cloths. Now here is a pro tip to save your huge money on clothes and make your beautiful clothes look good and live longer. Firstly, be clear with why you are washing your clothes. To remove dirt, to remove strong stains, to remove odor, to protect from bacteria and viruses, or you are just washing it if you have used it once or twice. To remove strong stains, you can use hard detergents. To remove dirt, odor, you can use mild detergents. You just want to wash it or protect from bacteria and viruses? Then you can wash with a little amount of mild detergent with antiseptic liquid. Please use very less quantity of hard detergents for light colored cloths.
So ladies and gentlemen, I hope this series is taking you from A to B. This is Basavaraj Patil signing off until we meet again.